Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode I will be teaching you how to make liquid dishwash or liquid hand wash. You can use it to wash your hands, you can use it to wash your plates and everything. It's economic friendly, beginners friendly. You can do this with just 2 ingredients. So if today is your first time of coming across my channel, like and subscribe to this channel. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget that we run online class on laundry soap production, liquid soap production, skincare, and we sell soap making equipment like cutter, mini cutter, table cutter, and the rest of them. Just chat me on the WhatsApp number here so we can discuss business. Do you see this, how the soap foams very well? You can use, with this method you can use this particular soap as a foaming booster. Also you can use it to wash your plates, you can use it to wash as a hand wash, you can also use it as a foaming booster. For some of you that buys foaming booster in the market, you can make this as a foaming booster, use it in your soap making production. Right, do you see how foamy and how it's clean this oil in this plate? So it can clean anything at all. Can you see it? So this is it. Like and subscribe to this channel. In this channel you can learn so many handwork that you can turn to business, so many skills that you can turn to business. This particular liquid soap, you can make it as a souvenir, you can make it and sell in the market. Do you see how sparkling this plate is? Right, you can make it and package as a hand wash, you can make it and package as a dishwash, you can make it and package as a souvenir. Right, so this is a cup, this is a SLS and salt. This is what we are using, SLS and just salt. You have made your foaming booster, you made your dishwash. You don't need to buy so many products for this, right? You don't need to buy so many, buy this one, buy that one, by so doing, and all those things are expensive. That is why I told you earlier on that this particular recipe is a pocket friendly, right? Is a beginners friendly. If you're a beginner, if this is your first time of making liquid soap, this will go well with you. Just follow these procedures and make this soap, this liquid soap. It will come out fine, right? Thank you for watching this video. If you want to make bigger quantity, just increase the quantity. Finish. If you want to make bigger quantity, just increase the quantity and make it. Increase the quantity of the ingredients you're putting and make it. It's just very easy to make. Enjoy the rest of the video and see you in my next video. Thank you very much.